Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a closer look at the Soccer Car Vacuum Portable Cordless 3-in-1 Handheld Car Vacuum, model HL107B. This little powerhouse is marketed as a versatile, high-powered handheld vacuum, ideal for cars, offices, homes, and more. But how well does it really hold up in real-world use? Let's find out. This vacuum comes packed with a range of features that promise to make cleaning easier. The most notable is its 15,000 PA suction power, powered by a high-speed brushless motor. Whether you're tackling sand, dust, or small debris, the vacuum's powerful suction makes light work of it. That's impressive, especially when you consider its size. It's compact, lightweight, and cordless, which means you can easily use it anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. It's also worth mentioning that it comes with a variety of attachments, including a brush nozzle, gap tool, and even a blowing accessory, making it versatile enough for cleaning hard-to-reach places, inflating air mattresses, or even helping out with your barbecue setup. One thing that sets this vacuum apart is its filtration system. It includes both a washable HEPA filter and an upgraded fine steel filter, offering 2 layers of protection against dust and allergens. The HEPA filter is easy to maintain, and it can last 2 to 3 months with regular washing. On the other hand, the steel filter boasts a lifespan of over a year, which is great for minimizing long-term maintenance costs. If you suffer from allergies or want a vacuum that keeps dust levels in check, the HEPA filtration is a nice touch. In terms of handling, the Soccer Car Vacuum is small, just 7.8 inches by 5.8 inches, which makes it easy to carry around. It's not just convenient, it also fits neatly into tight spaces, such as your car's glove compartment or a drawer at home, thanks to its lightweight design. There's even a handy storage bag included to keep everything neatly organized. It's the perfect size for quick spot cleaning or getting into those hard-to-reach spots, like seat cushions and keyboard gaps. When it comes to noise levels, this vacuum is fairly quiet, given its power. Unlike some high-powered models that might rattle the house or give you a headache, this one strikes a good balance between performance and noise control. You'll be able to clean up without disturbing the peace too much, whether you're cleaning your car or tidying up your office. Now, let's talk about the real-world usage experience. I tested the Soccer Vacuum on a few different scenarios. First up, cleaning fine dust and crumbs on hard floors. The 15,000 PA suction did a solid job of picking up small debris without losing power. On carpets, it performed well, but it wasn't quite as effective at lifting deeply embedded dirt as a larger, more powerful vacuum. That said, for quick cleaning sessions or light-duty tasks, it's more than enough. One area where this vacuum really shines is in tackling pet hair. The brush attachment is great for removing stubborn hair from seats, car interiors, and even upholstery. You can also use the gap tool to clean between sofa cushions or around baseboards. It's a real asset for anyone dealing with pet fur or hard-to-reach corners. In terms of battery life, the Soccer Car Vacuum runs on a rechargeable battery via TypeC, making charging quick and easy. You'll get a decent amount of runtime on a full charge, enough to clean your car or a small room. The trade-off is that it's not designed for heavy, extended use. If you're looking for something that will run for an hour straight, you might need to consider a larger model. But for short, targeted cleaning jobs, the battery life is more than adequate. While the vacuum performs well in most areas, there are a couple of drawbacks. First, because it's smaller and more compact, the dustbin has limited capacity. You'll likely need to empty it more often than you would with larger vacuums. The second issue I ran into was with larger debris. While it can handle sand and small particles effortlessly, larger items like bigger chunks of debris or crumbs might require a second pass. So, what's great about this vacuum? It's portable, powerful for its size, and comes with an impressive array of accessories. Its suction power and filtration system are perfect for quick cleaning tasks, and it's ideal for pet owners or anyone with small spaces to tidy up. Plus, its compact design makes it highly convenient for anyone who needs to grab it and go. On the flip side, its limited dustbin capacity and occasional difficulty with larger debris might not suit everyone. If you're after something that can handle larger cleaning jobs without the need to empty it frequently, this might not be the best fit. But for those who need a handy, quick, and efficient cleaning solution, especially for cars, this vacuum does the trick. As far as value for money goes, the Soccer Car Vacuum is reasonably priced given its features. When you compare it to similar handheld vacuums at this price point, it holds its own. You're getting powerful suction, multiple attachments, and a solid filtration system, all in a portable design. It's not as heavy-duty as some full-size models, but for its intended purpose, quick cleanups, pet hair removal, and light cleaning tasks, it's a solid choice. If you're considering other options in this category, you might be looking at vacuums from brands like Black & Decker or Dyson's handheld models. Compared to those, the Soccer offers a more affordable price without sacrificing too much in terms of performance. The main difference is that the Soccer is geared more toward portability and versatility, whereas some of the pricier models might offer more powerful suction or longer battery life. In terms of build quality, the Soccer feels solid for its size. The plastic body is durable, and the attachments are well designed for easy swapping. Maintenance is straightforward with washable filters and an easy-to-empty dustbin. The brush roll is simple to clean, and there's no complicated disassembly required. It's built to last, but as with all smaller vacuums, longevity will ultimately depend on how often it's used and maintained. Customer support, while not something I had to interact with personally, appears to be solid based on the brand's reputation. The vacuum comes with a 1-year warranty, which is standard in this price range, and based on user feedback, the brand seems responsive to any potential issues. So, who is this vacuum best suited for? If you're someone who needs a quick, portable vacuum for your car, office, or home, this is a fantastic choice. It's especially helpful for pet owners who need something that can tackle pet hair in tight spaces. If you're looking for something that can handle large rooms or heavy-duty cleaning tasks, you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching, and if you're considering the Soccer Car Vacuum, the link to get it is in the comments box below. Feel free to drop your questions or share your own experiences if you've used this vacuum. Until next time, keep your spaces clean, and remember, a cleaner home is a happier home.